I wish I would have tasted these ice creams when I was a child. I don't know, after doing sports, or after taking a hot shower, or after eating a delicious lunch, eating such an ice cream will be so delicious. But I know with small work, these small ice creams, they will turn into a piece of art. Hello, my friends. Tonight, we want to make a very strange thing with this simple ice cream. So, do not forget to subscribe and like the video in order to get everything started. Here, we can see different kinds of ice creams such as Nescafe, chocolate, double chocolate, mango, peanut butter, and even banana Nutella. But if you don't like any of these flavors, you can choose any other ice cream from the shop. But before that, you have to put it in the freezer. Then we are ready to begin. First, you need to put the ice cream into a special liquid like this in order to get a new cover. Let's try another ice cream. You can put this ice cream in every one of these containers, but we are bound due to some reasons and we just choose Nescafe, dark chocolate, and chocolate. You can do this for waffle too. It will be so delicious. Put the waffle into dark chocolate or any other flavor as you wish in order to get covered fully and take a new face, just like this. Then you can design it. In order to make our ice cream a new beauty face and even more delicious, you need to add some supplementary to it. Unfortunately, as I said, we are a little bound and we have only 17 options here. But you can add everything you like as a supplementary. We get to the most interesting part, which is adding supplementary to the ice cream. In this place, you can see just 3 supplementaries here that you can choose to serve on your ice cream. But you can add more varieties at home on your ice cream. We added more than 3 supplementaries, but using only 3 supplementary here. This ice cream will pass its way, first getting fully covered, then adding supplementaries that you can add on your ice cream, and then we design it. You can put your ice cream for 20 or 30 minutes in the freezer. There are special freezers in coffee shops and places that sell these kinds of ice creams. You just need to wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Then your ice cream will be ready to be eaten by you. But at home, you must wait 20 or 30 minutes. And here is our delicious and beautiful ice cream. As I said, waffle will be a good choice. In this way, after adding newcomer to the waffle, you just need to add some supplementary on your waffle. Everything you want, truffle, smart beans, on your waffle in order to get ready. Finish! Well, how was it up to now? Write down your comments and your ideas down here. I will definitely read it. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Wait, we're not finished yet. If you want to know how to make a delicious waffle or crepe, don't lose the following video. Love you all. Bye.